friend. Tom is going to help his friend. His friend is weak in multiplication. Are you ready to go on a magical multiplication mission? Welcome to Tom's class. You will learn magical multiplication today. Without using a calculator, you will multiply a 2-digit number smartly. Before we start, quickly get a pen and a paper. Hi, I am Tom's friend. My name is Anna. Tom was busy in cooking, so I'm going to help you today. Let me share you the magic of advanced multiplication method. Let's start. So, we have one task today. We need to multiply 22 with 21. I'll give you homework also. Oh, this is my parrot. His name is Joe. Joe. Hey Joe. I am teaching my new friend, don't disturb us. Don't be sad. We'll play later. Right now I am teaching. See you, Joe. Now, to multiply 22 with 21. We'll start with the first number, which is 2. We are going to draw 2 lines. Do you have your pen and paper with you? Draw a line like this. Now, draw the second line like this. Now, for the second number. Have you drawn the lines? Okay, for the second number, which is also 2. We are going to draw 2 lines below like this. Now for the second part, which is 21. Its first number is also 2. So, we are going to draw 2 more lines. But we are going to draw lines vertically now. Like this. Have you drawn the vertical lines? Now we are going to draw the line for the last number, which is 1. So we are going to draw 1 more line vertically, just like this. After drawing all the lines, before we move forward, please check if you have drawn the lines correctly. Okay, if you have drawn the lines correctly, we are going to now draw another line separating our drawing in parts. Draw a line like this on your drawing. And now, we are going to draw another line. Just like this. Please check if you have completely drawn all the lines. Your drawing should match my drawing. Now that we have drawn all the lines for each number, we'll draw circles where lines are intersecting each other. Draw circles where the lines are intersecting. Follow me. See how I am drawing the circles. I am drawing the circles only where the lines are intersecting. We are going to draw all the circles carefully. Draw the circles just like I am drawing. Are you drawing the circles? Please check, have you drawn all the circles? We have drawn all the circles. As you can see, our drawing has 3 parts. Now we are going to count the circles. We are going to start counting the circles from the left part of our drawing. Let's start counting the circles. Write down the numbers on circles while counting them. This is my first circle. This one is my second circle. This is my third circle. This is my 4th circle. Now, we'll count the circles in the middle part of our drawing. Start counting. We'll count all the circles like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we are going to count the circles on right part of the drawing. We have counted all the circles. Now, write down the largest number at each part of the drawing. Like, the largest number on the left part was 4, write 4. The largest number on the center part was 6, write 6. The largest number on the right part was 2, write 2. Now, we are going to place these numbers. Like starting from the left side. 4 goes here. And now from the center, 6 goes here. And now from the right side, 2 goes here. Our multiplication is now done. We have the right answer. That is 462. You can check it on the calculator. So, our first task is complete. Remember your homework. You have to do it by yourself. Share your answer in the comments of this video. Let's see who solves it first. Please do not forget to subscribe, as new magics are on their way. Click the like button, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon. Bye friend.